Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find your phone number on iPhone. It's a little embarrassing, but we've all had the thought at one time or another, what is my phone number? Maybe you recently got a new number or you're just having a mental lapse. The good news is you can find in the setting on your iPhone device. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, to find your phone number on an Apple, open your phone app. Next, from contacts, tap my card at the top and you'll see your phone number will be shown on the screen. So guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.